Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a bottom navigation view in Flutter Android. Let's see the project structure. Here we have three Dart files: main, first screen, and second screen. Let's see the first screen.dart file. This is the import. This is the first screen stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _first screen state. This is the _first screen state class. Here we will design our app. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. In the body attribute, we have a text widget inside a center widget. There's nothing special there. Let's see the second screen. This page is the same as the first screen. See the code. Let's see the main.dart file. These are the imports. First, we create the stateless widget called My App in the main function. This is the My App stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called My Home Page. This is the My Home Page stateful widget class. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _My Home Page state. This is the _My Home Page state class. Here we will design our app. These are the data members. The selected index variable stores the index of that screen tab, which is selected right now. The value is 0 by default, so the first screen will be loaded initially. Then, here is a list of all our screens that we want to load inside the bottom navigation view. This is the onItem_tapped function. This function updates the selected index variable when the user selects a new screen tab in the bottom navigation. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. The body attribute is set to the center widget. Inside that, we pass on the list of screens. And only the selected screen gets loaded at the moment. Then we have the bottom navigation bar attribute. Here, we design each bottom navigation bar item. We design the label and icon of the item. The onTap attribute is set to the onItem_tapped function. So when the user clicks a new tab, that respective screen gets loaded. The current index attribute is set to the selected index variable. Then we set up the various colors like selected item color, unselected item color, and background color. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement a bottom navigation in Flutter Android. Thank you.